Today, I'll share the ultimate remedy for a sore throat. In most cases, a sore throat is viral, meaning antibiotics won't help much. If your sore throat is caused by a bacterial infection, you might experience nausea or other digestive issues, but it usually doesn't lead to coughing. If it's caused by a virus, you may experience coughing, a runny nose, and throat swelling. The good news is that this natural solution can address both areas. The best natural remedy for a sore throat is bay leaf. Bay leaves possess both antiviral and antibacterial properties. Health benefits of bay leaves help reduce pain, swelling, and inflammation. Great remedy for coughs, stimulate the immune system, assist in reducing mucus, alleviate headaches, especially sinus headaches, serve as insect repellents. Support wound healing, have cancer preventive effects, aid in digestive issues. Bay leaves also have anticholinergic effects, meaning they can assist in overactive bladder, dry mouth, sweating, constipation, vertigo, nausea. How to naturally help soothe a sore throat. Ingredients: to bay leaves, fresh or dried, 2 cups of water. Optional: cinnamon to taste, 5 drops of liquid stevia. Boil the water for 3 minutes. Add bay leaves to the hot water and steep for 4 minutes. Add a cinnamon stick and liquid stevia if desired. Sip on this tea throughout the day to soothe your throat, reduce pain and inflammation, combat pathogens, and accelerate healing, continuing the journey to find relief. Let's delve deeper into the enchanting world of this herbal elixir, bay leaves. With their potent blend of antiviral and antibacterial properties, become not just a remedy but a guardian for your well-being. The health-boosting qualities of bay leaves extend beyond soothing your sore throat. They form a shield, fortifying your body and making it resilient against the challenges of the day. Whether consumed as a daily safeguard or used specifically to alleviate throat discomfort, this tea can become an essential part of the toolkit for those who prioritize their health. Remember, this natural support from bay leaves not only bids farewell to your sore throat, but also indulges your body in an internal spa treatment. Exploring the realms of traditional remedies unveils a path not just to healing but to proactive well-being. Alongside sipping this delightful tea, take a moment for yourself. Relax, take deep breaths, and relish the therapeutic moments that nature provides. Embrace the understanding that a healthy lifestyle involves not only treating, but also safeguarding against potential ailments. Now, it's time to take on the challenge of a sore throat with this natural solution. Wishing you healthy and vibrant days ahead.